This how to 1 minute will show you how to use Microsoft Loop on PC and laptop. So first of all, you have to open the Microsoft Loop on your browser, and this is the URL for Microsoft Loop, loop.microsoft.com. Then use your Microsoft account to log in into your Loop account, and once you logged in, you will directly jump into this Loop page, and this is the home page for Microsoft Loop. And once you're here, now you can click on this three dot to view settings, and once you are in this settings window, you can change your Loop theme from here, and you can click on your profile here to sign out from your Microsoft account or Loop account. And here is the recent activity tab where you will find all of your recent project, and you can go to favorites to access your favorites items here. And to create a new workspace, click on this plus icon, and to create a new workspace, give her a title. You can add emoji icon to your workspace by clicking here. Then click on create, and here write a title for the page, and just start typing from here. You can insert any templates from here, so I'm going to inserting dummy templates from this list showing up here. So now you can change the workspace cover photo from here, update cover, and you can simply select any art from this gallery. So I'm going to selecting this one, update, and then your workspace cover photo will be updated. And click on this drop down, and here this is my main workspace, and under this workspace I created a page called product marketing ideas. And if you want to add ideas to your workspace, then click on ideas, and from here you can easily create an idea page. And to view the workspace again, click on go to workspace and select the workspace. Now let's talk about text formatting. So I'm going to selecting this whole sentence from here, and now a menu will open up here, and from here you can make the text bold, and you can make the text italic, underline. You can tap on this three dot to get more options to customize your text according to your requirements. And to change the position of the sentence or line, you can click on this icon and drag, and you can change the position of the line. And to change text color, select the text, click on this more icon, click on text color, and from here you can select any text color. And to share this workspace, click on share. If you want to access to all pages within the workspace, then you have to click on this first option, and if you want to access to only this page, then you have to select this option and click on this three dot. From here you can see your version history. You can delete the workspace, and if you want to search Loop pages, then click on this search icon, and from here you can easily search for pages from here. And if you want to see notifications, then click on this bell icon, and here you will get your notifications. And to open your Loop homepage, click on Loop and you will jump into the Loop homepage. From here you can easily open another project or workspace. You can create a new workspace. And if you want to install the Loop app on your computer, then open the loop.microsoft.com URL. Then click on this three dot and install Microsoft Loop. And click on install, and the Microsoft Loop app will be installed on your computer. And after that you can easily use Microsoft Loop by opening this app. So this is how we can use Microsoft Loop on PC and laptop. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe How to 1 Minute. See you in the next video.